Okay, in this video, we're going to talk about how to get our Xilinx software set up for the board we will be using. The board we are using is the ARTY S7. So there's a couple of things we're going to have to do. First thing is to install the Xilinx software. Google Xilinx downloads. When you go to the website, click on the 2018.3. This is the version that we have installed on the lab in the computers. It doesn't matter which these versions you end up doing. The one thing you do need to have is that you'll see that it has Webpack in it. The Webpack is the free version that we're able to use. So you're going to want to download this version and install it. It is a fairly big download. It's 4 gigabytes. Okay, after you do that, you're going to want to go to the website digilentinc.com. I'm going to show you how to find the other pieces of software we're going to need to download. You're going to go to FPGA development boards, and then you're going to look for the ARTY S7. And when you get to the ARTY S7, we're going to go down to where it says Resource Center. Okay, when you get to the Resource Center, you're going to end up with this website here. You're going to scroll down. The first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to look under tutorial for installing the Xilinx Vivado and Digilent board files. And they will be this website here. You're going to go all the way down to step number 3. And on step number 3, it's going to say download the archive of the Vivado board GitHub repository. You're going to click on that link here. It's going to download a zip file for you. You're going to need that. And then you're going to close that out. And then you're going to click on the documentation's master XDC files. And that will send you to a GitHub site. And then you're just going to want to do clone or download it as a zip file. So when you do that, you'll have 2 different zip files. You have Digilent XDC master and the Vivado board master. Unzip those 2 files. The XDC master, these are going to be used when you actually start programming in VHDL. For right now, we're not going to need it. We'll do that in the second video that we're going to be posting. And the ones that we're going to be using are S750, either the version B or the version E, and I'll show you how to find that in the next video. The one item we will need is the Vivado board master. You can open up this, and you'll have these 3 folders: new, old, and utility. We're not going to be following the instructions on the tutorial. There's an easier way to get the software installed. You're going to click on new, board files, and you're going to go down to the ARTY S750. And you're just going to copy this. Then you're going to go down to where Xilinx installed it. Xilinx will be on the C drive, Xilinx, Vivado, to 2018. Then we're going to go under data. You'll see the boards. You'll see board files. And then you're going to paste the ARTY S50 folder. So I already had done that before. If everything works correctly, you'll start up the Vivado software. And you just want to make sure that the board got configured. You're going to just test to make sure that the board is configured. Do a new project. And next. Don't worry about this because we're not going to make a project right now. Make sure it's RTL project. You can hit next and next. And then it'll go down to default part. You want to click on board. And you should see on the very top the ARTY S50 pop up. If you did this and you paste it in the correct directory, you'll see this board. And this will have all the configurations that we need in order to use the Xilinx software. In the next video, we'll go through how to test and download to the board to make sure everything is working.